morning. Is today Sunday? Sunday. We are headed to the beach. We just went and looked at a potential flip house and it's really, really nice outside. So we're gonna ride down to the beach, check it out, see if it's warm enough to lay out. It's a little breezy. But just want to start the vlog and I'll see you guys at the beach. Stuck there.
The Land Rovers do not like the beach. They're so
Yeah, it's way less crowded up here than that. Good morning. It's the next day. Hold, please. Okay.
This truck sucks.
This truck sucks. We are going to swap out Mike's rental car today and then stop by the condo. Why is my nose itchy? And then run a couple errands in town, get some lunch. So, just want to start the morning vlog off. Well, it's lunchtime now, but nose so itchy. Anyways, gonna go run some errands and I'll take you guys along for that. Guys, this guy has his leg up on the steering wheel and he's texting at the same time. Mike's scoping out the rentals so he can swap out to a better one because this is unacceptable in a vehicle. Does that one have CarPlay?
Looks like it.
What the hell? What the fuck? Waiting for Mike to... When people stare when you're vlogging. Okay. Waiting for Mike to swap out the rental and then we're gonna go get some lunch because we haven't eaten anything today. And then we've got to return a bathing suit at one of the surf shops. All right, we just got home. I was gonna show you guys what I got from the surf shop. I got this cute, like, nude blush color dress. It's like this. It's kind of similar to the dress I have on, but a different color. And then the back is like strappy, really cute. This is Volcom from the surf shop. And then I got this really cute shirt. I looked at it last time, but I didn't get it. And then I still loved it, so I got it this time. It's just a cute blue, this is O'Neill. Just like a cute summery, flowy shirt. So that's cute. Mike got a bathing suit, and then we got some stuff from Home Depot that we have to go do at the condo. I think I'm going to put some laundry away, clean up the house a little bit, and then figure out what is for dinner. So I will, I also need to film a Sephora haul for you guys. So I'm gonna film that, put some laundry away, clean up the house, and then I'll check in with you guys again later. they're testing the nuclear alarms since we're in the zone. Good afternoon. I have had a crazy day, dealing with a bunch of work stress, but I did film the Sephora haul for you guys and I edited that. I'm getting ready to upload it, and then I've got to go back to the condo because the upstairs unit leaked down into the condo and I have to meet the plumber there, figure out what has to be done. So that's fun. So yeah, just got a lot of work done this morning, filmed the Sephora haul for you, and then went to check on something at the condo and found all of the water, which, you know, great day, really good day. So I've got to go back over there soon, but I came back to grab my laptop so I can at least get work done while I'm waiting on the plumber. And yeah, I just figured I would check in with you guys and give an update on what I've been doing today. This is my life right now. Water, 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 water. Fantastic. How the fuck does this happen? Hey guys, it is currently 8:30 and I'm just now getting home from the condo. When I tell you today went to shit, that's an understatement. I am going to make some tea. I'm skipping dinner because I can't be bothered with making dinner right now. I am going to make some tea, get in bed, and pray that tomorrow's a better day. I've got to get up really early and go to a business meeting. So I'm gonna make some tea, jump in the shower, get in bed, and try and relax and not stress out until I wanna cry. So I will see you guys tomorrow.
It literally looks like a hurricane.
What the? Of course, on the hair day.
Maybe it'll be over. Check the radar.
So I just got this in the mail. Mike has no idea. The best uncle ever sent Mike a PlayStation 5. He's gonna be so happy. Did you see what came in the mail today?
What?
Well, come look.
Stop looking in boxes. It's always your crap.
It's not always my crap.
It's always your crap.
Guess what it is?
It's got your name on it.
It's from Dan.
Of course it is. You spelled your name wrong, like always.
The moment you've been waiting for.
Bro, did he really? Dan's a legend.
Dan's the best. Finally a PlayStation 5. How long have you been searching for one of these? PS5. Oh yeah. Best Uncle Award goes to...
I didn't think he'd do it. Like, he was like, oh, it's in New York or whatever. And I was like, yeah, right.
Oh my god, look at the wind.
Oh my god. Mother Nature.
You're so annoying.
Look at those branches blowing. What is this wet substance coming out of the
Shut
sky?
up. It's a bad storm. Try and act like that whole tree's coming down. I mean, that is pretty windy.
Nah. I'm really jealous of their house.
Yeah. Our neighbors just painted their house this blue color and it was a really ugly gray-brown color and it looks so good now. That's like the perfect beach house color.
Yeah, they killed it. Looks great. Is this branch gonna come through our door?
Apparently.
Bro, back up. You're getting close.
You gonna set up your PlayStation tonight?
Go right down now.
But really, how excited are you
I'm pretty excited.
to have a PlayStation?
Cause I tried to find them online, like catch the restock or whatever when they were available, and I never could.
I forgot to show you guys earlier, but I got my hair done today. Super excited. Mauve blonde. But anyways, I am waiting on some groceries. Mike's going to set up the PlayStation and probably just gonna relax since it's freaking hurricaning outside, which is fun. We just got an Amazon package in. We're storing all the puppy stuff in our spare room right now till she comes. But the Amazon box, this little water bowl for her crate, so when she sleeps at night she has some water and that way she can't knock it over. And then we're gonna get different bowls once she's full size, but she's gonna grow like 80 pounds after we bring her home. So I got this little food bowl and you can raise the height on it, so these little things you can take off and put sideways so it's taller, or you can take them off when we first get her, so it'll just be a little bit raised, and then once she's full grown she'll need something bigger. But this will last probably the first like 6 or 7 months we have her, so I got that. She's got some dog food. I got this cute leash off Amazon. It's like a teal, and I like the soft, I don't really like the retractable leashes, but I like the little soft. And this one's really short. It's only 5 feet for like training so that she stays right next to me. And then some little teething toys. So we're just kind of collecting some stuff for the puppy. And we should be picking her up in a week and a half. Fingers crossed if she's big enough. So that's what I got from Amazon. Mike has a grilled chicken Caesar salad with some egg, and I have a Greek salad, tomato, banana pepper, onion, grilled chicken, feta, and balsamic